that's that New York City life. So here we go.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar bar girl, and I'm in a mad dash because I am headed to 2 bartender related events tonight, and I thought it would be kind of fun to take you with me. So the first event is a charity event for the Restaurant Workers Committee Foundation, and they are a nonprofit organization that was started a year ago to help improve the conditions for restaurant workers. And a former coworker of mine is one of the organizers. He's involved in the creation of the foundation, I believe. And so I heard about this event through his Facebook, and I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to connect with other professionals in the industry, get to know some more people, and also contribute in any way I can to, of course, the great cause of improving our work lives in this industry. And then the second event is super exciting. My really good friend Amanda Swanson, who is an agave sommelier at Fine and Rare in New York, is competing in the Espolón Tequila's cocktail fights competition tonight at 8 o'clock. So we're gonna go to the charity event and schmooze, rub elbows, and then we're gonna head to the competition and cheer like a crazy person for Amanda. So I'm gonna try to show you guys as much of that as I can. And right now I'm getting ready to get on the train because, you know, that's that New York City life. So here we go.
Moving along, thanks to our event committee and Jeffrey Beers, Jameson Brown, Dana Coteen, and Chris Raftery, who helped plan and also secure all of our many wonderful donations.
Just left the charity event and now we're on our way to the competition. I thought I would take the train, but got too caught up in the drag show, so we're Ubering it, and hopefully we'll be in time to catch Amanda's performance.
Concept in mind. I wanted to do Star Wars theme. Our drink is called the Thai Fighter, using all Thai inspired ingredients. So you have a Thai basil, funnel Thai basil with Thai chili, pineapple, espolón reposado,